What's up, YouTube? Back at you. Got the 96 Firebird formula. Doing a quick wash. Actually, it wasn't quick at all. I did a strip wash, did a clay, I did a polish, and I also did the Adams graphene ceramic coating. So I'll be just kind of highlighting that as you watch this video. Hope you enjoy it.
It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Guys, this is 25-year-old paint, so it's not going to be perfect, but I think it came out pretty well. All right, hope you guys enjoy it. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.